Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're continuing the beginner tutorial series. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe so that you see my videos and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first to see my videos. This tutorial we're going to learn the major scale. So the major scale, what is the major scale? When we take a particular key, let's say C, so there are 7 notes, seven notes that form the major scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Before we get back to the one, so 7 notes. So we want to look at how we can play the major scale. So just like in any other instrument, it follows the same pattern. So if you learn for C, you can play it in any other key. You see, I'm playing on the same string throughout. So I'm going to use this B string to teach you the basic steps that form the major scale. So the root note, so we're going to use the key C. The root note here is C, since we are using the key C. If you remember, the first fret on the B string is C. So we are going to move a whole step. That means we are jumping one fret to the next fret, the third fret, from fret 1 to fret 3. So that's glory, and the mi will be another whole step. Fa, then the fa is a half step. So la, ti, la. So do re is a whole step. Mi, fa, and re, mi is a whole step. Mi, fa is a half step. So fa, so, la, so, la. Sorry, fa, so, fa, so. So fa, so is a whole step. So la is also a whole step. La, ti is also a whole step. So we realize that we have a whole step in almost the whole scale, except between mi and fa and ti, do. Sorry. But this is going to be very difficult to play if you want to play, and it's going to stress you a lot. It's going to be very stressful trying to play on the same string, always moving one step. What if you're trying to play a song that you have to hear a bit of the bass, like so let's learn from the third string. So on the third string, we're going to use the same C because we have the C on the third string on the 5th fret. So this is G. The third string is the G. G sharp, A sharp, B, C. So like I said, we have a whole step. So do re. Instead of going here, mi, you can go down to the next string. So the mi is the E note, E in C. So E is here, it's on the 5th fret on the 2nd string. So sorry. So do, re, mi, do, re, mi. Then the fa, so do, re, mi. And you know mi fa is a half step. So if you remember the finger practice that we did, I'm trying to make sure that index finger only plays this fret, the middle finger plays only this fret, ring finger plays only this fret. So I've divided into the 4, counting from the 5th fret, sorry. So after the mi, we know we have po until we have ti do. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Then you come down again. La, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, do, re, mi. Yeah. So maybe you are trying to play a Christmas song. So you see that Tido as a half step. So if you want to go to the lower octave compared to this, and you can also get the lower octaves of the various la, so. And you have your so do, re, mi, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. So your do is in. That's what we have a C, I'm sure. So out of curiosity, you can try and learn it in sorry, in the other frets, maybe, because you know this the format that from whole step to half step, whole, half, whole to the half for the tido. So maybe you slide, because you know that this is the fa. So that's it. You can study. So since you're a beginner, I would advise you learn from the third string. So there will be a tutorial to practice this particular skill, so don't stress too much, and I'll teach you another one that you can use the second string. Let's say we are playing F, so F is here. Since we have E on this string, we have F here. So it's just the same way, it's just that this is the do, the root note, re, and the mi. That's why I started with the middle finger, so I divided them into 4. So if you are starting from the second string, your do is on the, should be for the middle finger. Then since you don't have any string beneath, you just have to slide. And when you get to this do, you know that If you remember, when we were playing, we were starting from the third string. Those ended on this. Yeah, so that's it for this major scale. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any comments, don't forget to leave a comment if you have any question and anything that you want me to clarify. Thank you for watching this video this far. See you next time. And wait, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Thank you. See you next time.